Good morning and welcome to MBA batch of Luth Mata Institute of Management Studies, LIMS Business News. Let's get the news rolling with the top 6 business news.
Center eases compliance for ITEs and BPOs. The government on Thursday announced simplified guidelines for business process outsourcing and IT-enabled service players to reduce the compliance burden for the industries. The new rule for other service providers would create a friendly regime for work from home and work from anywhere, while removing several reporting and other obligations for such companies. OSPs are entities providing application services, IT-enabled services, or any kind of outsourcing services using telecom resources. The new rules are aimed at providing an impetus to the industry and positioning India as one of the most competitive IT jurisdictions.
I am Selshi Lawrence. WhatsApp allowed to go live on UPI. The National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI), which manages Unified Payment Interface (UPI), has decided to allow Facebook-backed messaging service WhatsApp to go live on UPI in the multi-bank model. WhatsApp can expand its UPI user base in a graded manner, starting with a maximum registered user base of 20 million, NPCI said in a statement on Thursday. In a related development, NPCI has capped the share of total number of transactions that a third-party application can process at 30% of total volume of transactions processed in UPI effective January 1st, 2021. NPCI has said the cap of 30% will be calculated basis the total volume of transactions processed in UPI during the preceding 3 months on a rolling basis.
Welcome to Business News. I am Anuraj. Today's news. Dalmia Bharat Group appoints ex-Infosys official Rajiv Bansal as ED. Bengaluru. Manufacturing firm Dalmia Bharat Group has appointed Rajiv Bansal as Senior Executive Director. Bansal was Chief Financial Officer at DXC Technology before joining the firm and has worked as CFO at both Ola and Infosys Limited in his previous stints. Bansal will be working closely with Managing Director Puneet Dalmia and Mahindra Singh, Managing Director and CEO. Dalmia Cement Bharat Limited to strengthen goals and strategies and in formulating and implementing never initiative that's aligned with the long-term goals and vision of the company. The company said on Thursday, Rajiv brings with him rich global experience, proven leadership and deep strategic insight, said Dalmia, Managing Director, Dalmia Bharat Limited. Dalmia Bharat Group has a strong presence in cement, sugar and refractories. Its cement business has grown sharply since 2006 in terms of capacity and production and is a market leader in the specialty cement space. Thank you.
Hi, it's Vrindas representing Group 3 with today's news. Hyundai expects sales momentum to continue. Hyundai Motor India Limited expects its sales momentum to sustain beyond the festive season due to pent-up demand, but said a second wave of coronavirus and a weak economy could act as a spoil sport. The unit of Korea's Hyundai Motor Corporated posted 30% year-on-year jump in sales during the 10-day Navaratri period and expects sales to surge during Diwali next week. Ever since the lockdown measures were eased, Hyundai reported steady rise in vehicle sales thanks to robust demand for its Venue and Creta sport utility vehicle models. The two products propelled Hyundai to eclipse Maruti Suzuki as the largest sport utility vehicle maker in the April-September period. Hyundai expects sales to accelerate during the festive period with the launch of the new generation model of the i20 premium hatchback on Thursday. Tarun Garg, Director Marketing and Sales Hyundai Motor India, said there is a huge pent-up demand as customers were delaying purchases since 2019 due to the confusion over the transition from Bharat Stage 4 to BS6 emission standards. Sales in October was the highest for us and there is high pent-up demand in the market. We have around 30% year-on-year growth in sales during Navaratri, and Diwali should be equally good. The new i20 will also add to the volumes. This festival season has been very good in terms of demand, and customer preference towards personal mobility is also pushing sales, Garg said.
Hi, I am Anjuraj. Today's business news. Bank fixed deposit rates compared. SBI versus Axis Bank versus Yes Bank. Bank fixed deposits continue to be popular investment products not just among senior citizens who are looking for guaranteed income but also among investors who can't stomach risk. But overexposure to fixed deposits is not good, and you need to assess your asset location and goals to decide how much money you should park in them. For instance, saving for your child's higher education that's 15 years away through fixed deposits may not be effective, as the post tax interest rate of an fixed deposit may not give you a real return. But if you plan to take a holiday in 2 years, and fixed deposit can help. But choosing a fixed deposit, you should compare the interest rates on offer. Here is a list of banks that offers the highest FD rates for deposits up to rupees 1 crore over various tenors. Thank you.
I am Alan Ball. Welcome to today's business news. Jet submits revival plan to NCLT. The resolution professional of Jet Airways has submitted the revival plan approved by the Committee of Creditors to the National Company Law Tribunal (NCLT), according to a stock exchange notification on Thursday. On 18th October, lenders to Jet Airways India Limited had accepted 1,000 crore bid by consortium of UK-based Calro Capital and UAE-based entrepreneur Murai Lal Jalan to revive and operate the airline that last flew on 17 April 2019. Jet Airways had earlier received bids from two consortiums, one comprising UK-based Calro Capital and UAE-based entrepreneur Murai Lal Jalan, and the other by Haryana-based Flight Simulation Techniques Center, Mumbai-based Big Carter, and Abu Dhabi's Imperial Capital Investments LLC. The new owner of the airline is said to face several challenges to turn around the Jet Airways, which include its massive debt due to employees, airports, ground handlers, and others. Thank you.